Right, I am the narrator, and at the moment we are going to do Mr. Sneeze. Rachel's going to draw, I'll narrate it, and check out our videos. They're so cool. Hi, Kathy. Yeah. And Sneeze, Mr. Sneeze, are you ready? Rachel. Are you ready?
Okay.
Right then. Put it in place, please, Rachel. Right here.
Well, I get vibrated. I can't go that way.
Or then, sit around here where I am. So, Rachel. No. So, first, you'll need to start off. It's got spikes. So, Rachel's just very well doing those.
Some of them are bigger than others, so beware.
Yeah. And after that, he's got quite long legs. They go straight down. Then he's got sort of round feet, no shoes. So they're really slim feet too. They're like that. Yeah, just like Rachel's done. Very well. Oh, thank you. Like that, and they don't have a gap between them. They're just like that. And do the spikes on the other side. It's quite quick to draw this one. Sorry. So one more spike, and then his eyes are actually quite close together, and you don't colour them in like the other ones. They've got people. And then his nose is. Oh, you're doing the mouth. Oh no, that's the nose. Right, and then his mouth.
He doesn't have one.
Well, he does. It's actually just like that. He's about to sneeze. Let me draw it for you. He's just like that. No, it's like that. You see?
Yeah.
Right, like he's gonna sneeze because he is Mr. Sneeze. And that is draw. We'll turn it round for you, Mr. Sneeze.
Also, you can colour in his nose orange
Or red.
Because in the picture he is in Poland, but it's red in the picture. But
On the front it's
red in this picture, but orange in this picture. So you can choose.
And he's dark blue. So yeah, that's Mr. Sneeze. Check out another video. So we've got lots more.
We've got Mr.
Yep. All right. Doesn't matter.
For all the Misters, well, we're going to anyway. Thank you.